instead of saying, oh, I want to wait till the beeping stops, I actually said, I want to wait till the boinking stops. But anyway, nothing exciting's happening right now, but I figure I should add for context. I had my flight, I went to Phoenix, then I got picked up in Baltimore, just like 4 hours away from Hampton. My lovely friends came and picked me up, and now we're in Virginia, 2 hours away from Hampton. Yay! Yay! Cleanest bathrooms on the interstate. We chose the right bathroom. Fuck yeah, Fuddruckers! We just went to Starbucks and we couldn't go to the bathroom because it was so nasty.
But now we found the cleanest ones on the interstate.
Yeah! Wins! Small wins!
Small wins! Holy shit.
Whoa. No, I feel like it's the same size. I feel like I see you every day.
I know, right?
We have so much to talk about Big Brother. Can I get one?
Sure.
Oh, thank you.
Have fun.
These are pretty. Oh. It's an astronaut. I can't believe we made it inside this fast. Literally like within 2 minutes of it opening. Oh yes! Look how cute my lunchbox is. I'm using it as a memory box. It's 2:12. We already made a trip over to the vendors and stuff. We've never been that successful.
No, I mean, we actually left the hotel before 9, so.
Literally, we made it so quick.
Yeah,
we have never seen sunlight here.
Unless it's
We just did a quick trip, and it's really sad because this is our hotel right here, and this is the venue right here. It's literally like a 1 minute walk, and we never get ourselves to leave the room till like right before, like maybe the first opener we see. Maybe. I mean the last opener.
I saw the last 10 minutes of, what was the second day opener? Someone I actually
Claude
wanted to
Von
see.
Stroke. Noisia.
Noisia. And I literally made it to the last 10 minutes.
Oops.
And then waited for them in between time.
We're already doing better, and we know we're gonna make it out again for sound wave stuff, so.
We sweat for no reason, but
Well, it's good to go see it and feel like we did something.
yeah.
Why do they have all this stuff set up? This is so cute. Well, we're never gonna be back. Yeah, they even have blueberries.
They're yummy.
Oh, lemonade? I'm getting lemonade. Sure. Yum. You look batshit crazy. Who's your alter ego when you do this?
Lugu on acid? Fucking cocaine?
Any one of the Who's? Wow!
Shenanigans are already beginning. All these brave people already in line to get in at 4 p.m. What? This line? She's not even set up yet. We were first. We were part of the setup group and we deserve 4 t-shirts each. And I'm already wearing the merch. We're your biggest fans. Please hire us. I'm already helping you out. Look at it. Look hard at it. Please. Is it in there?
Brianna, me and Logan have a gift for you. Okay. Oh boy. This is only one and then tomorrow's one. And I have tomorrow.
Wait, stand.
Should I bring the t-shirt?
Shut the fuck up! A horse out of my own?
Now you can live up to your full potential. Michaela, almost forgot. That was a good horse sound. Yeah! Brianna, gallop!
Whoa.
Oh my god! Yes. Gallop. Gallop.
Well, I was working out of bed in the cave with Brianna, and I was going pretty fucking hard, and both of my feet got caught on the bottom of the board.
No.
And my toenail literally flipped up like this, like it took this part and flipped it up.
I feel sick to my stomach.
Let me see, honey.
What's the damage?
I can
Oh, no, you're good.
Oh
Listen.
my god, it's
Hey,
gone.
Put it down.
I don't know, Michaela, it doesn't look great.
No, guys, relax. I do nails. I do nails. Listen. You're gonna be fine. Honey, you're gonna be fine. Once it grows out, make sure no one fucking bucks in it, okay?
It's so ugly.
You'll be fine. No, when it grows out, listen, it's gonna take like 4 months to grow out. I promise you. It's gonna take like 4 months.
Someone likes it or not.
No,
Didn't you already have a
don't
problem
paint it
with
because
this
you'll
toenail?
lose the oxygen and it's gonna fucking get
Well, I
fucked
already
up.
had
It's gonna get yellow.
I already had issues with my toenails. I actually had surgery on this big toe and my right big toe because I had such bad ingrown toenails.
We're getting horsey tattoos for Brianna.
Ready?
Okay, let's do the big reveal.
Oh, yeah.
Zoom in on that.
Okay, now show ours.
Oh, did I do that?
I did.
Oh, look at her. Oh,
Look at ours.
oh yeah. Yes.
Get it up, bitch.
Oh.
We're halfway through 12.
How are we all up right now? We're at such a nice restaurant.
It wasn't my choice to be up this early.
It wasn't any of our choice. We didn't have another option. I told everyone we could go somewhere else to stay later, and Perry was like, no, it's great. We'll all get up early, and then we'll get the gay going. Great. How many brain cells did you have after last night? How many did you start with?
I was like, okay, you had two options. You can either just full-blown ban Dog the Bounty Hunter's wife, or get pegged by Billie Eilish.
That for chose get picked by Billy.
It was like 4, like...
He had questions. He had stipulations.
Was Beth, was she alive or dead?
She's alive.
Do I get the bounty? Do I have Billy's consent?
Oh, yeah. I was like, Billy's begging you, but you don't get to look at her. You can't see her, you just know that it's her doing it.
This can't go on. Okay, Pat wants me to call him to see, so we can see my, so I can see my photo. I can't talk, bye. Is it that bad? Oh my god, literally, that's my mom. Have you seen my mom? My mom has those glasses. Finally got our shit together enough to get a photo in front of this. You should see the photo from last night. We do not look okay. How many people are we with and none of us have a key? Not a single one of us have a key. How many of us are out here? Oh, thank God. Just as good. Way better than the world.
I love you guys so much. Thank you for being a part of it. 2, 3. Hell yeah, thank you, man. Thank you, Basscenter.
For real. You guys better still be going off out there.
They will be. God, I will give you a reason to scream if you're not so.
For real. If not, we're gonna start our own screaming chant. Damn it. Let's go. Yeah.
You got this. Oh my, you're fully, wait, what? What?
Yeah, girl. Guys, that was good. That was good.
That was really good.
It was so good.
You were rocking.
You're fucking amazing, Kayla.
Yeah, you were bouncing up there.
I literally feel like this is my calling. No, I feel like I could be like part of
That's a true talent.
circus.
How are you feeling?
Thriving. Honestly, feeling way better than I probably should. And then we're gonna go to Chipotle, so it's gonna be a good time.
I love the energy.
That's the only thing holding me back is hanger.
Dude, when I fell asleep and the fan in our room sounded like a Basscenter set, and in my head I was fucking dying.
Straight dubstep.
We know all about the appliances making songs.
This is Ashley from home. I just want to pop in here and try to fill in some of the blanks. As usual, as I've been saying in every vlog since like the forest vlog, I'm like, sorry this vlog isn't the best. I'm trying to be better. I feel like I've done a decent job in some of the vlogs, and some of the vlogs I just completely missed the mark, and it's just like, wow, just shut up and be better. But hopefully you stick around. There will be some better vlogs coming from the end of the year till halfway through 2020. I have like 4 to 5 big events planned. Anyway, Basscenter was so much fun. He played so many amazing songs. I almost forgot how much I loved it, even though I know that that one is what I always say is my favorite event. I just like really didn't have enough time to vlog because I got there at like noon on Saturday, and then I'm leaving already by Monday morning. I really only had a day and a half there, so there just like really wasn't a lot of downtime, especially because we did like brunch and stuff. We were just go, go, go. It was so much fun. The last clip that you saw is us like freaking out in the lobby because I guess the employees were complaining that we weren't being loud and crazy as we usually are. So I've heard they've requested that we did our little chant that we did last year. I'm sure they've done. The next clip was the fire alarm going off. This happened on the second night last year too. I sense a pattern. Someone's definitely pulling that alarm on purpose, if you know what I'm saying. Yeah, it was just absolute craziness. So much fun. Basscenter is my favorite event. That is not changing. Keep saying I'm not going to go next year and then I need to do other events and not spend so much money, but let's be real. Oh my god, it just reminded me of how good it is. He played so many great songs. We got Let Me Dope You Again, which is crazy. We got Korean Bebop, which made me super excited. We just got so many old school songs. I even had people that hadn't seen Nectar in a while like message me and be like, that was the best set list I've seen in so long. Like, that looked so good. And it was so good. So thank you to Basscenter for having another amazing event. Thank you to my friends for having a ton of fun with me and making it just as fun as it always is. Can't wait for the next one. If you're interested in more Basscenter related content, I have a ton of other videos like vlogs and other like tips and stuff if you're just getting into the scene that you can check out. I have a whole playlist that you can check out titled Basscenter Events, and I will see you in the next one for my New Year's Eve vlogs. I will see you all at 360. Even though I said I wasn't gonna go, just like I say I'm not gonna go to Basscenter, but I have no self-control. Bye.